Hello children, today we shall discuss question tags, more questions. Choose the correct question tag for the following statement. First one, he is leaving for Bangalore tomorrow. What is the auxiliary verb here? Is. So, the auxiliary verb is and the sentence is positive. So, the tag must be negative. So, we have to give isn't. Look at the subject and give the pronoun of it. So, isn't he? Option B, isn't he? Question mark. Second question, they have spoiled the case. They have spoiled the case. The auxiliary verb is have. Sentence is positive. So, negative of have, haven't. The subject is they. Haven't they? Option C. Third question. She has been sleeping for 10 hours. What is the auxiliary verb? Has. The sentence is positive. So we have to give the negative tag. Hasn't. Subject. She. Hasn't she. Pronoun of the subject you have to give. So hasn't she and the option C. Fourth one. They are not here. What is the auxiliary verb? Are. The sentence is negative. So we have to give the positive tag. Are they? Are they? Option B. Fifth question. She hasn't a big house. What's the auxiliary verb? Has. The sentence is negative. So we shall give positive tag. Has she? Has she? Option A. Sixth one. They do not waste their time. The auxiliary verb is do. The sentence is negative. So we shall give positive tag. Do they? Option C. Do they? Seventh one. She is not coming on Sunday. Auxiliary verb is. The sentence is negative. So give positive tag. Is she? Option A. Eighth one. Ravi hasn't taken interest in the matter. Auxiliary verb has. The sentence is negative. So we have to give positive tag. Has. Pronoun of Ravi is he. Has he? Has he? Option B. Ninth question. They haven't been working since Sunday. The auxiliary verb is have. The sentence is negative. Haven't. So we have to give positive tag. Have they? Have they? Option C. 10th question. He is a clever boy. The auxiliary verb is. The sentence is positive. So we shall give negative. Isn't he? Isn't he? Option B. 11th question. Ramu has lost his wit. The auxiliary verb is has. Put the negative of it. Hasn't. Pronoun of Ramu. He. Hasn't he? Hasn't he? 12th one. One can't be faithful to all. The auxiliary verb is can't. It is negative. So we have to give positive. Can. Instead of giving one, we should give you. Can you? One can't be faithful to all. Can you? So when one comes, you have to put you. Can you? 13th question. We have lunch at once. Auxiliary verb have. We have lunch at once. Haven't we? Haven't we? Option A. 14th one. They used to sit at 12 in the night. There is no auxiliary verb. The main verb is used. It is past tense. So when past tense comes, we have to use did. The sentence is positive. Negative tag we have to give. Didn't they? Didn't they? Question mark. Option B. 15th one. She was very late. Auxiliary verb was. The sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Wasn't she? Wasn't she? Option C. You have a new house. The auxiliary verb is have. The sentence is positive. Give negative tag. Haven't you? Haven't you? Option A. 17th question. She can help me. The auxiliary verb is can. Give negative of it. Cannot. Can't. She. Can't she? 18th one. He has been to Bangalore. Auxiliary verb has. The sentence is positive. So give negative of it. Hasn't he? Question mark. 19th one. He is an engineer. Auxiliary verb is. The sentence is positive. Give the negative verb. Isn't he? Isn't he? Question mark. 20th. They are not from Colorado. The auxiliary verb is are. The sentence is negative. So give positive form. Are they? Are they? Question mark. 21. Jack is really tired. The auxiliary verb is. The sentence is positive. So give negative. Isn't. Pronoun of Jack. He. Isn't he? Option B. 22. You went to the supermarket. The verb is went. It is past tense. When you find past tense, use did. The sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Didn't you? Didn't you? 23. You have never been to Vellore. Auxiliary verb is have and the sentence is negative. Never. Never is a semi-negative word. So we have to give positive tag. Have you? Question mark. 24. The children are playing hide and seek. Auxiliary verb are. The sentence is positive. So give negative verb. Negative tag. Aren't they? Children. Pronoun is they. The children plural. So pronoun for plural subject is they. Aren't they? She is going to Japan. Auxiliary verb is. So the sentence is positive. Give negative tag. Isn't she? Option B. 26. He doesn't live in Tirunelveli. So the auxiliary verb is doesn't. Does he? The question tag is does he? Option B. 27. Miss Jane has a new car. Auxiliary verb has. Give negative of it. Hasn't he? Hasn't he? Option A. 28. You have passed the examination. Haven't you? Because have is the auxiliary verb. The sentence is positive. Give negative tag. Haven't you? 29. It's a very long novel. It means it is. The auxiliary verb is. So give negative of it. Isn't it? Isn't it? Option A. Hari will arrive tomorrow. Auxiliary verb is will. The sentence is positive. Give negative tag. Won't he? Won't he? 31. I'm quite forgetful. The auxiliary verb is am. The sentence is positive. So we have to give negative tag. Am plus not. The negative is aren't I. Aren't I? Option A. 32. You are not meeting him today. The auxiliary verb is are. The sentence is negative. So give positive tag. Are you? Option A. 33. They had not met earlier. The auxiliary verb had. The sentence is negative. So give positive tag. Had they? Option B. And children, for your informations, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. More advanced form of learning you can find in our channel. Here in Google Classroom, we are giving chapter-wise coaching. But in YouTube, you will get all the tough sums discussed in YouTube channel under the heading FAQ, frequently asked questions. It consists of a series where we have discussed all the tough questions in that. Also watch the previous year solved question papers. Sainik School previous year solved question papers is also available in our channel. Please subscribe and follow our channel for better and more advanced learning. 34. This will not catch fire. The auxiliary verb will. The sentence is negative. So positive tag will this. Will it. This, the pronoun for this, it, will it. 35. Radha could not make it. Auxiliary verb could. The sentence is negative. So give positive tag. Could she. Could she. 36. This tablet is big enough. Auxiliary verb is and the negative form isn't it. Isn't it. This becomes it. 37. You haven't read the book. Have plus not. The auxiliary verb is have. The sentence is negative. So give positive tag. Have you. Question mark. 38. You are a Bengali. Auxiliary verb are. The question is positive. The sentence is positive. So negative tag. Aren't you. Option B. 39. Let's go to the beach in the evening. Whenever you find let, you have to use shall. Whenever you find let denotes a suggestion. Whenever you find let, it denotes a suggestion and you have to use shall we. Let us, shall we. Let us go to the beach in the evening, shall we. Don't use shan't we because you can't give it in negative. We have to give it in positive, shall we. So special class, a special question, note it down. 40. These flowers are lovely, aren't they? These flowers, plural, so aren't they? You don't like cricket, do you? Don't, negative, so we use positive tag, do you? Question mark. 42. Your sister didn't come here. Did not. So it is negative. Use positive tag. Did she? Did she? 43. This is a real problem. Auxiliary verb is. Sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Isn't it? This, the pronoun is it. So isn't it? They are sure. Auxiliary verb are. The sentence is positive. So we have to give negative. Aren't they? Option B. They were singing. Auxiliary verb were. The sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Weren't they? Option C. Ravi has original ideas. Hasn't he? Auxiliary verb has. The sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Hasn't he? Option C. Rama had done her work. Rama had done her work. Hadn't she? Because the auxiliary verb is had. The sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Hadn't she? Because it is given here her. You can lift this. Can't you? Because the auxiliary verb is can. Sentence is positive. So give negative tag. Can't you? Option B. He ought to study the situation. Ought is the auxiliary verb. Oughtn't he? Oughtn't he? This I have discussed in the last video. Ought plus not. Oughtn't he? Nikhil will come with you. The auxiliary verb is will and negative of will. Won't he? Won't he? Question mark. And children, along with this worksheet, I'll be giving you some extra tags you try doing by yourself. Thank you.